MeghalayaPost.news.
Daga jingkmi linti bandang Kyntiew ki Kam Riang ki balong kat kum gajuk start mentam baru ban pai kmat kerpang Shakinongram ka Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR umiam menta ka sing kala Rakhe ka jingya linti ka basan phoi Snem bagani ka tanat trikam Kam Shakri na ka benta ban Kyntiew ki Kam Riang ha ka jela Meghalaya bat ki jela shatela mingi jongkari India ya gani ka jing Rakhe ka Jingdap san phoi Snem ka Indian Council Agricultural Research ICAR lapan long ha Dr. MS Swaminathan Hall ICAR umiam ha ka balawan ban shimenta da Dr. KM Bora, former DDG Animal Science ICAR New Delhi and former VCAAU Jorhan Hakajing dan Lang Dr. S Hazarika Director of ICAR RC NEHR Umiam Kiriu Shempang Hakarap Karyang lembat kinongrap nakalenggat hem ribhoy lingba jong kani kasngi balarakhi kani kasing kerpang baka ICAR kalaya yaw momer basan phoi Snem kajing lenti lapan pawru ya kajing ro bat kajing mentoy badan kani ka ICAR kabalalong shisha kajing mentoy na kabentaban Kyntiew ki Kam Riang ki Kam Riang bat kamtam ban pai kmat kerpang Shakinongram bakin penon kam ya ka Kam Riang ki balong kat kum gajuk stan ka bamenta kini ki buj stan bala penon kam ha ka Kam Riang ki kentum nandu ki jingerap ki ba penon kam lingba ki kor ki bol technical bar ka jingwat benya ha ka Kam research baru kamtam bakinong rap ki la penon kam ya ki buj tumai ha ka Kam Riang ban mentoy ki nong rap ban Kyntiew ka yo ka kon shushu lingba jong kani ka sngi lala ru ban pli ya ka farm school on air bar ka juk ka por ki la le buram ru ki nong trek ICAR ki bala don benta ha ki Kam Shakri ban Kyntiew ka rap Riang baru ki jing don benta ha ka basunyang ban Kyntiew ki Kam Riang bat kiwi ki benta ki baya de bat ka Kam Riang.
Hope everyone is doing well, and I'm excited to share you that ICAR Research Complex for the Northeastern Hilly region is now on the airwaves. Yes, bringing valuable agricultural knowledge directly to you through Akashvani Northeast Service, Shillong. So join us on every Sunday from January 11 at 7:30 p.m. Our scientists will be on the radio to share scientific information about agriculture, animal husbandry, poultry and fisheries. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Be a part of our effort to reach out to the farmers across the 7 states of the Northeastern Hilly region. So tune into Akashvani Northeast Service Shillong and empower your farming journey.
During the last 51 years, 91 crop varieties of different crops. And these developed varieties have covered an area of 235,000 hectares in the Northeast. As well as, because of the adoption of these varieties, there is an increase in the yield of the different crops. It ranges from 12 to 16%. So apart from these varieties, we have developed 241 technologies or protocols, and out of these, 14 technologies have already been certified by ICAR during the last 2 years. And apart from this, the institute has developed 60 integrated farming system models, and one of the model of there is integrated organic farming system model has been recognized. It was highlighted in United Nations Climate Change Conference of the Parties, that is COP26, held in Glasgow during 2021. So it also developed 18 diagnostic kits, and within the last 5 years we have received 4 patents. And during last 12 years we have conducted more than 16,800 training programs. These have benefited more than 483,000 farmers of the Northeast. During the last 5 years, we have issued 36,000 agro-advisory bulletins to the farmers and 80 lakh SMS, agro-advisory SMS to the farmers. Under TSP, last 5 years, nearly 85,800 farmers have benefited through different interventions like training, development of physical assets, then distribution of different inputs. So, sir, this last 51 years we have developed many technologies, as I told you, but for these technologies we should be very happy. But we should not be complacent with the technologies that we have developed in the last 51 years, because situation is changing. You see, you know that the hill agriculture has a lot of challenges, and apart from that challenges, one new monster has emerged, that is your climate change. That is going to affect the small and marginal farmers seriously, because as you know that this risk-bearing capacity is very, very low. So our farmers, I urge upon all the young scientists to meticulously develop research agenda, research plan involving the recent technologies, whatever available in the computer science or other field, so that in future, in a near future, we'll be able to address these issues, whatever challenges are coming, whatever challenges emerging, so we'll be able to address these issues. Otherwise, if we do the conventional research, I think it will be very difficult to address these challenges in coming
2084-85. So many years have gone by. Okay, how many carbon we have sequestered is the question now. The different institutions have all been doing this on carbon sequestration and all that. Basic issue is, he also had touched upon photosynthesis as one of the things. Now what to do in photosynthesis? If we talk about science, we must now be trying to see how the leaf size is enhanced so that carbon dioxide capturing capacity is increased. It is that kind of research you will have to do together with the grain, together with the tree, together with the thing. We will have to work on those things as well. And then from paddy field, the carbon emission. Have we recorded how much carbon actually is emitted? How to capture the carbon emitted? How to see that carbon dioxide captured is transformed into oxygen? There was a study, carbon dioxide captured under greenhouse condition from the paddy field was diverted to Azula tank. And the Azula tank, it has something that it could convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen. That kind of research is the need of the hour. On carbon credit again, little bit addition to. What is my carbon credit? Have we thought of the carbon that we emit as individual, as human being? There is a record, We say on an average 2.2 kg of carbon dioxide, all of us with cars and all that are emitting on an average. Say therefore how to reduce 2.2 kg of carbon dioxide that we emit. Say I drive my car, say for average 15-20 km per day, somebody drives 100 kilometers. Every liter of petrol we burn, that emits carbon dioxide. Now can we reduce flying the vehicle at least to half so that carbon dioxide emission is restricted to half? Similarly, kind of ACs we put on. 12 hours you put on the ACs, the carbon dioxide emission rate is very high. We do not bother even to put off the ACs, to put off the fans when we leave the office. Those kinds of things in agriculture. What is the carbon footprint of rice production, the wheat production, maize production, animal farming? That has to be assessed. Carbon footprint of rice and all that. That is on you, little bit. Okay. Then only, I think we will be contributing towards trying to reduce the carbon emission from the agriculture sector.
meghalayapost.news